Hello everyone, welcome back again to Hack with Victor, where you learn that how you can bypass Windows Defenders, antiviruses, and so on. Now, in today's video, we are going to see that how we can bypass McAfee antivirus, which is an advanced antivirus which protect your device from malware, trojans, botnets, etc. सो आज की वीडियो में हम देखने वाले हैं कि कैसे हम मैक को बाईपास कर सकते हैं एंड क्या सच में इतना रिलायबल है, क्या हमें ये यूज़ करना चाहिए या नहीं, एंड नहीं तो फिर इससे बेटर क्या ऑप्शन है, वो सारी चीज़ें हम डिस्कस करेंगे. बट विल फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सी दैट मैक इज़ कैपेबल टू डिटेक्ट माई इवन सिंपल EXE और नॉट. फाइन. सो हम क्या करने वाले हैं यहाँ पे, पहले तो एक नॉर्मल सा EXE बनाएंगे. ओके, एंड देन वी विल सेंड दैट EXE फ्रॉम माई काली मशीन टू और विंडोज़ मशीन जहाँ पे मैक कैफे इंस्टॉल्ड है. ओके, एंड इफ आई वांट टू शो यू, सो ये फुल्ली एक्टिवेटेड है. ओके, नॉट अ ट्रायल वर्जन, फुल्ली परचेज एंड फुल्ली एक्टिवेटेड. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे करंट रेट्स नो 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 एक्सेट्रा. एंड राइट नाउ basically McAfee is turn on and our antivirus, the by default antivirus which comes in the Windows is turn off. Okay, so यहाँ पे इसका कोई रूल नहीं है, बट अभी जो सारी चीज़ें हैं वो McAfee यहाँ पे डिटेक्ट करेगा. So I'll just shut down this and we'll come back to our Kali machine. Okay, and take an example. If I want to copy anything, a simple file, okay, from my this machines to our target machine, so let's go. एंड यहाँ पे हम दे देते हैं एक नॉर्मल सा payload.exe. फाइन. अभी बस हमें यहाँ पे ये चेक करना है दैट इट विल गोइंग टू डिटेक्ट और नॉट. ओके, so here we have the payload.exe and let's try to copy this payload.exe from our Kali machine to our Windows machine. Okay, just a second. Let's see. Fine. So we'll go to this PC, inside the users, Victor, and here we have this payload.exe, and let's just go and do the manual scanning and देखते हैं यहाँ पे डिटेक्ट कर पाएगा या नहीं. Okay, fine. So you can see we fix one thread, scan done, one item scan, and यहाँ पे अगर हम C details पे जाएंगे and we will click on the C details, so here we go, and it said that we block the this payload.exe which we generated from the Metasploit. So now you can see or you can understand that how Metasploit payloads are very heavily detected. Okay, so वहाँ पे जो जितने भी हैशेस जो जनरेट हो रहे हैं वो काफ़ी इजीली डिटेक्ट हो जा रहे हैं. ठीक है, ऑलरेडी जो डेटाबेस में है स्टोर है वो उससे मैच करता है एंड उसके बाद आइडेंटिफाई करता है यस दिस कम्स फ्रॉम अ मालवेयर फैमिली एंड नाउ इट्स गॉट डिटेक्टेड. बट नाउ व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू नाउ, this time we are going to use a different payload. Okay, if you know about, already I created this, but in that video I showed that how we can do in the Windows Defender. but यहाँ पे हम क्या कर रहे हैं, हम एक लेवल एक्स्ट्रा चेक कर रहे हैं. Okay, right now we are using an antivirus, okay, which is a McAfee. सो अब यहाँ पे हम क्या करने वाले हैं, नॉर्मली जो मैंने अभी बनाया है यहाँ पे टेलीग्राम bot.exe, बेसिकली यू कैन कंट्रोल दिस बॉट यूजिंग योर फोन ऑल्सो. इट डजंट रिक्वायर्ड ओनली दैट यू कैन कंट्रोल विद योर लैपटॉप. आप इसे अपने फ़ोन से भी कंट्रोल कर सकते हो, बट यहाँ पे चैलेंज ये है कि क्या ये चीज़ डिटेक्ट होगी या नहीं. ओके, सो विल कम बैक अगेन एंड आई एम गोइंग टू जस्ट कॉपी दैट टू दिस मशीन. एंड अगेन हम यहाँ पे क्या करने वाले हैं, इससे पहले एक बार मैनुअल स्कैन करेंगे. लेट्स सी if McAfee capable to detect or not, right? So here we go for the slow more options and scan. We'll wait for a second and boom, can you see, no threat found, you are protected. As per McAfee there is no threat. Okay, now what I'm gonna do now, as you know, I'll simply open my this terminal and I'm also going to open my Telegram, and this is my bot. We'll simply run this exe first of all. Oh my bad. And done. And now if I just click on start 3, and yes, here you can see we got the access of our Windows 11 machine from our this bot which we created on Telegram. And now if I just click on the hash or maybe location, so it will going to give me the ISP location of my internet. If I just click on the system info, it will going to give me the system information of my device. Okay, here you can see this is my information of my device. Now if I want to just go and see what is the network of my Wi-Fi, or like my Wi-Fi name, SSID and all these things, so here you can see my Wi-Fi name is this. We can see you the one which is my mobile device Wi-Fi, and the another one is guest one. Same here you can control everything. Same here you can check all the directories as usual. But the concern is you can see even the Mac Cafe is not capable to protect your device from this simple bot. Okay, although it's a RAT, remote access Trojan. Okay, but still it was not capable to detect this payload. And यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया, easily, काफ़ी easily इसने इसको bypass कर दिया. So now the question is, are you still relying on the Mac Cafe? अगर आप इसे use कर रहे हैं तो I will suggest just simply remove this. There are multiple payloads, there are multiple antiviruses are available on the internet like McAfee, Total Security, Norton, all these things which are available जो ऑलरेडी बाईपास हो चुके हैं, उन्हें काफ़ी ही इजीली अटैकर्स बाईपास कर सकते हैं. आपके सिस्टम को कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ किया जा सकता है. अगर मैं मैक कैफ़े की वेबसाइट्स पे जाऊँ एंड यहाँ पे अगर आप देखेंगे तो यहाँ पे लिखा गया ऑल इन वन प्रोटेक्शन फॉर योर पर्सनल इन्फो एंड प्राइवेसी सो यू कैन एंजॉय लाइफ ऑनलाइन. नाउ यू कैन सी हाउ मोर you can enjoy your life. Are you really think that you can enjoy with such antiviruses which are not capable even to detect a normal PXE? Okay, and apart from that, you can see they are saying themselves that they are the award-winning antiviruses. They have password managers, firewall, file share, and the demo is in front of you guys only. That how easily I able to bypass and how easily an attacker can control your device with the help of their phone also. They don't need any laptop to carry every time. The phone is enough to monitor your device 24/7. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video, hope you learned something new, and if you are still relying, I will say just remove the Mac Cafe. It's your Defender is better than this, although it's also bypassable, but still there is no difference between this and that. Okay, although you are paying for this antivirus, so better if you really want something like that, so go for the Bitdefender, go for the Kaspersky. Okay, try to purchase such antiviruses which are really capable to protect your device. I'm not saying that it's enough. Hackers have the methods to bypass those also, but at least it will those will able to detect such exes because it's very easy for them. So that's it for today's video. We'll meet in another video with such more informative video. That's it. And if you like this video guys, it's a request, please don't forget to subscribe, share, like this video.